Hello everyone, let's spend some time on sectors today. We can look at the sector widget on price, ratios, price slopes, Skew slopes, and dollar flow. So really super powerful widget. So listen up. Okay, so we're looking at the sector widget. Very quickly, you click on sector. The widget will pop up at the bottom here. It's a full screen one, but you can make it half screen if you want by doing so, or just back to full screen if you want, going into the full screen region and removing the chart, and then you'll have it full screen. So what can we do with it? Very quickly, you can monitor and see all the sectors since the beginning of the year, or at least 12 months out. So first thing, one by one, and you can see the trend on each of them. You can go 3 months, 15 days, and see what the trend is. So that is very useful. Secondly, you can see at the bottom a chart that commingles all of them. So quickly you can see which one since the beginning of the year. It all normalizes all the result into one date. So that's the 1st of January, for example, and then you have the results on the top, and then you can move to any date you want. If we go into 15 days, you can go and see for the last 15 days which are the ones that went up the most. So XLB, XLK, and XLI. But then if you take the last 3 days or 2 days or even 1 day, you can see XLK is shooting up XLI and XLB. You have the value on the top so you can see which one is better. Second thing you can do is, instead of just looking at price, you can look at the ratio to SPY to the S&P. So this is very useful because although on the price you can see the XLP flat, the XLB running up, and the XLF down, if you take the ratio, you can see the XLP is down, XLY down, XLB still up, and XLF really down, right? So it put things into a completely different perspective compared to the S&P. And so that is very useful to see which sector is really shooting up right now. So for example, XLB really shooting up. It shows on the chart and the general chart here. It beats the index. Let's see over price, still XLB on the top and XLK. And if I compare to the S&P, same thing, XLK and XLB are up, right? Very useful. Now the price slope is very useful as well. It tells you the 5-day price slope, so it tells you if it's progressing or not, or going down. So very useful. You can see really the trend line of the price of each of those index. So XLU is apparently shooting up, right? So that's useful. The skew slope, so this is the volatility, of course, the shape of the skew and the direction of the skew, where it is going. Same thing, you can compare it on all the sectors and see which volatility on which skew is improving or not. So meaning going down, meaning improving. So XLB is definitely going down here, improving. So less volatility, less puts, so that is useful. The dollar flow, same thing. How much dollar are being invested in those indices, which is the best index for that. So again, you can compare things very quickly and see how the dollar flow is moving in each sector. So again, very useful. Put the S&P ratio, the price slope, the skew slope, all this into comparison and see which sector is the best. So this is really useful when you start your analysis and you say, which stock I'm going to go for, at least which sector I'm going to start with. All right, I hope it was useful, and let us know if you have questions.